We're just doing a drive-through of Hellshire, showing you some houses, showing you a little bit of the community. It's a lot of rocks and a lot of cactus. As you know, it's a beach area. It's a beach community. So of course, you'll see lots of stones and sands, etc. But you'll see lots of beautiful houses on both sides of the streets. As I said before, majority of these houses, people bought the lots and then they build their houses. So like us, like our house that taking close to 20 years to build, still not complete, is the same thing with many of these properties. So for persons overseas you want to invest, feel free, buy the lot. You see a lot that is selling reasonable, buy it, right? I can share a little with you guys. When we bought this lot, it was like $1 million, 1 million Jamaican dollars. It wasn't even a million, it was a little under a million. But this was like 20 years ago, and it seemed like a lot of money at the time, but it still wasn't a lot. Because where we are now, for the prices of lands in Hellshire, that was a good buy. But even now, there's still lots here for sale that are going reasonable.
Even the one in front of our house.
Yeah, yes, there's a lot in front of our house as well. There's a lot of developments going on over here as well. So for NHT's last 2 developments are in Hellshire, and those houses were sold out in no time, before construction was complete, before development was complete. Right? They were sold out because Kingston is is very populated, as you see. So any big developments that is going on, it is outside of Kingston. So that is why Hellshire is the new, place for development. So I'm gonna take you to one of the newer developments that was constructed by the NHT, by the National Housing Trust. So this is Edghill, where persons buy their lots and build their homes. I'm gonna take you to development which was done by NHT. So stay tuned. changes. People always park up here, so.
The view right here is nice.
Yeah, right here is really nice. Welcome to Hellshire, guys! You said it's